Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering with Pritam. Today in this video we will talk about a very important property of material. Today we will talk about hardness. So hardness, from a softest rubber to hardest tool steel, it is a universal property of material that shapes world of engineering. So let's dive deep into this topic. First of all, let's try to understand hardness through definition. Hardness in a simplest form or term is an ability of material to resist particularly a permanent deformation, indentation or scratching. It's not about being hard or soft, it's about how material respond to external forces. This property is crucial in defining a material suitability for specific application, whether it is in everyday's object or in advanced engineering solution. Now let's talk about how we can measure hardness. Hardness is not a direct measurement but is evaluated through several methods, each suited for different kind of material. For example, if you want to measure some soft material like rubber, you can go with Shore scale, or let's say you want to measure like tool steel. In that case, you can go with Rockwell hardness tester. Understanding these tests and what their result imply is key for engineers to select the right material for the right task. Now let's talk about hardness in various materials. Every material from a softest silicon to a toughest diamond has hardness value. This value influences how a material can be used and what property it offers. Exploring this wide spectrum gives us insight into the diverse application and limitation of material in engineering. Now let's understand it from design perspective, or how we can incorporate hardness in design. In engineering design, considering the hardness, I would say, is very fundamental. It affects the decision from wear resistance to precision manufacturing. By mastering this concept, engineers can innovate and can create solutions that are not only effective but also durable and efficient. Now let's talk about future of hardness in engineering. The study of hardness, I would say, is continually evolving like any other property of material. And with advancement of material science and technology, new material and methods are also emerging. In the end, I would say hardness is more than just a measure. It's a gateway to understanding the material and their potential in engineering. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. Please do let us know when you find this particular property of material most important, maybe in your case tool steel, or maybe some soft material like silicon. Do let us know in comment down below, and I will catch you soon with one such another topic. Till then, you take care and bye bye.